just as I am. You are living a brand new kind of life. More and more like Christ who created this new life within you, Colossians chapter 3 verse 10. A long-haired blonde from a southern university seemed to be enjoying a satisfactory student career when her grades began to slip. Life had become one long case of the bloss, she confessed later. I wasn't walking around with a steady load of blues, but I wasn't enjoying life. Small things made me blow up. I met some kids who seemed to know something I didn't know, but I couldn't get in on it. We went to several meetings, and one night the speaker said that we don't earn God's love. He takes us as we are. It was then I realized it wasn't a matter of clocking up a certain number of hours doing good deeds. Instead, I had to make myself available. Through faith, I had to let Him take over. It came together all at once, when I accepted Christ as my personal Savior. I know that God is in me in everything I do. My life has taken on a new dimension. Does your life have this new dimension? It can. Just begin now with Jesus Christ. When you make this beginning, it will be your first step toward realizing personal fulfillment, meaning, and joy. Prayer for the day. By faith, loving Father, I ask you to take over every part of my life. Draw me closer to your Son, my Savior, Jesus Christ.